I'm back. Hi everyone. It's ESL Allie. I am ready to finish this Humita recipe. Hi Romy. I'm so sorry it took this long. However, there is something important to note. In the Northern Hemisphere, we do not have pumpkin and corn, especially fresh corn, readily available. So I understand that it is fall in Argentina. However, here it's getting close to summer. And so things like corn are just starting to be available. Also, pumpkin is easy to find in specialty stores. However, it is not as plentiful or as readily available as it is in the fall time. So therefore, it has been a little bit tricky. However, I think I can pull this off today. So what I have here are all the main ingredients. I have the pumpkin that I grilled in the previous episode. Here, I have the onion, tomato. The recipe calls for green onion. Green onion I could buy in the store. However, already in my backyard this spring, I have fresh chive. Chive is a very popular seasoning or herb to use that has an onion flavor. So therefore, I will use chive instead of green onion. I hope that's okay. Next, I have the milk, which I will use when I stir all the vegetables and the stew together. And last but not least is the corn. Now, I did not scrape this off of the cobs of corn. So I am using frozen corn. I hope that is okay. If anyone has a comment about this, please feel free to comment below. I don't judge, and I love your ideas about my cooking. And also, let's not forget the spices. So in this recipe is recommended paprika, cumin, and some red chili pepper. So on to the next step. While the pumpkin and the onion and the tomato are cooking together, I am going to take my corn and pop it into my blender. I also will add the milk so there is some liquid to mix with the corn in the blender. Again, I wish I had fresh corn. Let me know if you approve of this recipe. Okay, so now I have this beautiful mixture. It's creamy, it's rich. It still has a lot of the texture of corn. Again, please comment. Tell me what I've done right and what I've done wrong. This is not someone who is a professional chef. I am having fun with recipes around the world with you in English. Here are the chives. Beautiful. Some salt, some red chili, paprika, and cumin. Now I covered this in water in order to simmer this. Again, that means to cook with low bubbles around the edges to get all of the vegetables soft. I will simmer this for about 20 minutes. Now it is time to add this beautiful mixture of corn and milk. I will give this about 20 more minutes. Quiet, please. Okay, so I made two. I appreciate your patience. Humita time. I am going to serve these to my two children. I am offering them some chives, fresh from the garden, and also some shredded.
Thanks, Mom.
Now look at the camera and say it. I really enjoy making new dishes that challenge me and help me explain English in the kitchen. Will you please share a dish that I can try to cook in my kitchen? I would love to hear from you. Please comment below.